Good morning, traders. Richard here doing quick Ichimoku Cloud chart market review of Bitcoin. I've got the daily chart up here. Now, the last update we did was right about here on the 20th of December. Had a nice little rally after after Bitcoin rebounded from these old cloud chart support levels that we identified from this zone there, as well as this cloud chart shadow, which we look back to previous old support levels in the uptrend to see if they're going to come stand in as support when there's a downtrend. Now, from a big picture perspective, price actions below the bottom end of the cloud is overall bearish. From an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective, for Bitcoin to be a bullish on a daily, we need to be above the cloud chart support levels there. So we are bearish, but we are trying to trade these swing trades as Bitcoin rebounds from all cloud chart support levels. That managed to capture that move. It then got close to all resistance zones. The top end of the cloud now is a new resistance zone for Bitcoin. So swing trades is we buy these support level rebounds from all cloud chart support levels and then trade them back up to the bottom end cloud chart resistance zone. So the levels to watch out for is this cluster of support here. I'll pop a line in there. You can see that's an old cloud chart support level, and a major cloud chart support level is this old level down here. So these are the two key swing trade levels that we can see support come in. If support fails at these levels, then we're going down to the next level of 38,762, and then this big line in the sand here, 35,125. So these are all the downside risk targets in Bitcoin from a swing trade perspective. But looking out for a potential rebound from this major support zone in around 39,888 zone. So that's a key level to watch out for. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And then the idea is to swing trade back up. The first level of resistance would be the standard line of the cloud there, that zone there, and then the bottom end of the top end of the cloud. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. It's on its way to test potential support rebound from this top end cloud chart zone. If support fails at these levels, there's downside risk to the bottom end of the cloud, which is another major support zone of 37,271. So these are all kind of support rebounds. Now, Bitcoin's quite volatile, so it's difficult to, pick an exact rebound zone, but it's digging into a cluster of support zone with an ultimate support level here at the bottom end of the cloud. Now, if Bitcoin slices to the bottom end of the cloud, the outlook on the weekly will change from bullish to bearish. So still bullish on the weekly. Daily is now bearish since price actions below the cloud. It's been bearish for a while since it sliced through the bottom end of the cloud here. So we swing trade these rallies back up to key resistance zones after rebounding from key support levels. Turning to the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at that 4-hour there. You can see here still a sideways moving. The cloud keeps on remaining key resistance zone. Every time it kind of breaks through the cloud, it only meets resistance, all cloud chart resistance levels there you can see, and then sells off again. Bearish outlook on the 4-hour with shorter term swing trades back for these rebounds from the support levels back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So these levels now we've identified from the daily, and these are key rebound zones for Bitcoin. And then this rebound zone with the bottom end of the cloud as the next key resistance zone. Ideally, I'd like to see Bitcoin cross the cloud here, which is another buy signal, and that is where the bullish outlook will start again. Once again, Bitcoin needs to be back above the top end of the cloud for us to be really, really bullish. But so far, the bottom end of the cloud now acts as a resistance zone, and the swing trade opportunities are where we trade these rebounds from key support levels back up to the bottom end of the cloud. Nice little MACD buy signal there together with this cloud chart rebound. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to get a cloud chart buy signal here as well. Turning to the hourly chart, still in a still had quite a bearish outlook, but what's interesting here is we've just crossed the last couple of hours, crossed the top end of the cloud here, so the outlook has now changed from bearish to bullish on the hourly chart. But we do need to see a sustained rally staying above this level. So as long as Bitcoin stays above this cloud chart support zone on the hourly, there's a level of, what's that level there? 41,689. Then this rally should be okay because the price action is back above the top end of the cloud. So that's bullish. So bullish on 4-hour. Still bearish on, bullish on 1 hour. Still bearish on 4-hour with the potential for a rally back up to the bottom end of the cloud. Daily still bearish with potential swing trades from this major support zone here. So this whole cluster of support. So there's potential for a swing trade back up to the bottom end of the cloud. And the catalyst on the weekly one to look out for is the support to hold and a potential rebound at this top end cloud chart support level. So these are the catalysts in terms of the price action that we're looking for Bitcoin on the different time frames. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.